Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you.
Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you a super sequential blow-off valve by the HKS company of Japan. HKS, a famous tuning and performance company here in Japan, on the vehicle-specific flange for the S14, S15 Silvier. The same flange also used on the Mitsubishi Evo vehicles and the Mitsubishi GTO. So the flange here, a specific flange, the valve, a universal and adjustable type blow-off valve. The spring tension may be adjusted by adjusting the spring in the back here. So this is the universal type that can be adjusted and used with any turbo vehicle. The flange specific for the S14, S15, but of course, if adapted, can suit any turbo vehicle. So the super sequential blow-off valve, we'll go to some other photos from the other side. As you can see, a lot of corrosion to the outside of the valve, but in 100% working condition and 100% working order, very, very good. Just the outside has lots of marks, scratches, and corrosion, as you can see in the photos. The super sequential blow-off valve, the sequential blow-off valve moves sequentially and has a diaphragm in the center here. In back, resisting the diaphragm is a spring, which is tensioned by winding in and out the little bolt and locking in place the locking nut at the desired tension. Now the boost from below pushes on the diaphragm, while the inner manifold vacuum pulls on the diaphragm. When the pull and the push are enough to overcome the diaphragm, this resistance of the spring on the diaphragm, it moves a small piston located through this area here, which moves back sequentially and in little bursts release the boost pressure from the front, from the trumpet here of the blow-off valve, giving that very distinctive HKS super sequential sound. So going through to some further photos, this is the back of the unit. You can see here the tensioning bolt and locking nut. This is the nipple that leads to the inner manifold and the spring housing, and this is the diaphragm housing, and the piston is in through the center here. So made from billet aluminum, so lathed from a solid piece of aluminum, billet aluminum, in very good working condition, 100% working condition. As you can see here, the internals extremely tidy. The HKS super sequential blow-off valve, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you.
In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.